going on, y'all, man? It's your boy K, and as you can see, you got the baby right there behind me, man. So today about to be her first wash. I'm gonna let y'all witness it, the first wash with me and the baby. About to go ahead and clean her up. We got a lot of activities to do today, but like I said, man, I'm about to let y'all go ahead and see her get that first car wash. Let's get it. Probably gonna do the pre-soak, then a foam brush. Go ahead. Bro, I know you like, why you using these cloths? I ain't got my microfiber cloths, man. And I'm not just about to let it air dry because you already know it's gonna leave them streaks or whatever. So I'm gonna just use this softly and get it done. You know what I mean? All right, y'all, so first car wash complete. See how dirty the joint was. These really just from the tires though, getting in the inside and stuff. But anyways, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell so you can get all the notifications every time I upload a video. You will be seeing me and the stain more often. If you got any comments or like any suggestions on how to wash your car better at a self car wash, put them down in the comment box. Go ahead and subscribe right now. You should have been here a long time ago. About to turn up with the videos, me and the stain. And I'll see you next video. Hope you enjoyed.